But first tonight, we have a St. Patrick's Day warning. Health officials say it is crucial we don't get sloppy after safety measures with our safety measures as we celebrate.
Now, this comes after Kent police reported more than 130 calls for service and numerous violations of the city's pandemic gathering regulations during fake Patty's Day over the weekend. 5 on Your Side investigator Joe Pakanakis joins us live. Joe, the repercussions here go way beyond potentially spreading COVID-19.
Courtney, Rob, both Kent police and Kent City health leaders say the biggest offenders of their mass gathering law were Kent State students. Now, these are students that could face a pretty heavy fine and even a trip to the university's conduct board.
Not much social distancing, if any. Hardly any mask wearing, if any.
Kent Health Department inspectors issued 19 citations for violation of the COVID-19 city mass gathering law that limits house events to just 10 people. The citations issued during fake Patty's Day events this past weekend. The vast majority of violators, Kent State students who signed this student COVID-19 safety pledge.
With the ordinance being in effect for several months, it should not have been a surprise that the health department was out and enforcing it on such a very hectic day.
Health department leaders say each violator was hit with a $500 fine and perhaps even more.
And if they're students, then their names and information are sent to Kent State, and then they will go to a student conduct hearing if the conduct board feels that it would be necessary.
This is going to be a make or break couple of weeks.
In Summit County, Health Commissioner Donna Skota says her inspectors will be making compliance checks with St. Patrick's Day, Easter, and Dingus Day over the next 3 weeks. She says everyone must stay COVID-19 focused, especially with bars and restaurants back online.
The worst place to be is going to be in a crowded bar without a face mask, after drinking, loud music.
We're still going to do all the protocols, all the safety, sanitizing.
Market Garden Brewery owner Sam McNulty says his Cleveland locations will open early on St. Patrick's Day, but his staff will remain diligent in making sure patrons follow the rules.
If someone does feel the need to take the mask off and walk around, we're going to gently and kindly thank them for putting the mask on.
And so Summit County Public Health are saying don't let your guard down. They're still receiving anywhere from 100 to 125 new COVID-19 cases every day, Rob. And they say while the numbers have dropped significantly in the past couple of months, they say they've really leveled off in recent weeks and they're not going down any further.
Joe, all well and good, but $500, that's a hefty fine. Will there be an appeals process?
Well, they can appeal that fine to the Kent City Law Director's Office. Again, Northeast Ohio health officials taking this very seriously when it comes to COVID-19 guidelines during this St. Patrick's Day week.
5 on Your Side investigator Joe Paganakis. Thanks, Joe.